Hi everyone, welcome on this new series about how to achieve a very good score on the IELTS exam, moving from 6 to 7.5 or 8 or even more, way better. My name is Idris Lawali Abdu. I recently took the IELTS exam and I scored 7.5 with a 8 band on the speaking part. In this series, I will share with you the techniques and the strategies I use to achieve this score. I will also share with you many mock interviews and also the speaking part we will do with my friends who are very good at taking this IELTS exam. They did it before, and we will share with you the tips and tricks to help you also score very well at this test. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the IELTS scoring system. The test has 4 parts: reading, listening, speaking and writing. Each part is scored on a scale of 0 to 9, and then the score are averaged to give an overall score. A score of 7.5 is considered a good score, often required by universities and immigration purposes. So how can you score a 7.5 at the IELTS exam? The first tip I will give you is to familiarize yourself with the test format. IELTS test has a specific format you need to familiarize with before taking the test. For example, the reading test has 40 questions you need to respond in 60 minutes. The listening has 4 sections with 10 questions each. By familiarizing yourself with the test format, you will be ready for the test day. The second tips will be practice, practice, and practice. There are many resources to help you practice for the test. You have practice book, you have practice test, you have online courses. I will put some recommendation on the description section for you to go and explore many resources you can use. The more practice you will have, the more comfortable you will be with the test format, and the more you will perform as well. After taking a practice test, identify the areas you struggle the most on and work on improving these areas. For example, if you struggle the most, or if you have difficult with the listening part, practice many times the listening until you feel more comfortable on that part. And finally, my fourth advice will be to manage your time effectively. Time management is crucial during the IELTS test. Make sure you are aware of the time limit for each section and that you actually practice managing your time during the whole test. There you have it, the 4 tips to help you achieve a 7.5 or even more score at the IELTS exam. In the next episode, we will dive deep on the reading section and give you strategic and specific tips to help you improve on that section as well. That's it for this episode. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to not miss any of this content in this episode. And also, if you have any suggestion or any other tips you think about, just share them in the comment section. And if you have any question also you want me to probably talk about in another episode, it will be a pleasure for me to respond to you on this comment section. But subscribe and like this video. I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.